All right, hello everybody. It's Scott Teague with you, and I had some people won't know if I could put out some more videos. I've been doing a lot of sound locomotives this year. Um, I didn't think I would get this many, but I have quite a few now, and this is the latest ones that I done. Uh, all of them's got the ESU Lock Sound 5 Micro 58741 decoder in them, sound decoders. Uh, Pretty simple to do. They're drop in for Kato units, but you know, putting speakers in them and all that, you have to do some milling out some of the shells. But like the bigger units here, like the SD70M right here, I could put a speaker in there no problem. But the SD40s and stuff like that, the smaller units, you have to mill out for the speaker, but it's not that big a deal. This is the SD70M. I'm going to start it up for you and let you hear it. Pretty good sound on the ESU decoders. I think the speakers came from Yankee Dabbler. Get all my speakers there. I tried a bunch, and I think this is the 8 by 12 millimeter speaker. It's basically what I use in about all of them. That fits perfectly. Here's the horn. Bell. Sounds pretty good. Now I'm going to cut this one out. And now I'm going to show you the SD40-2. This is the N&W Heritage SD40-2s in the 6100 series. And we'll start it up here. It's also got the ESU decoder 58741 in it. Sounds pretty good too. Here's the horn. It's got the RS5T on top of it, which is the SD70M, has the K5LA. Here's the horn. So both of them sound pretty good. Turn it off here. Both of them sound pretty good. Like in scale, it's not like HO. You can't get a bigger speaker in unless you mill the tanks out, the fuel tanks, and I don't want to do that because that takes away weight. So the biggest speaker you can put in there without taking so much weight out is the best thing to do. And also a lot of people run their speakers full blast, which you got to go by your scale. So you got to knock your sound down to the scale, to the ratio. So turn your scale down, sound down to the ratio of your scale, and that puts less strain on your speakers, and you can hear more clearly that way. I've also did two SD70 ACEs, I think an M-2, this SD70M and this SD40-2 here probably about 3 weeks time. But it's pretty simple once you do one. It's pretty straightforward. You just got to watch and isolate all your metal from your decoders. You don't want to fry them, especially your speaker. But I think ESU did a good job on the Kato drop-ins. I think I paid about a little over $90 for the decoder, and probably, I don't know, $3-4 for the speaker. They're not that expensive. The speakers ain't, but it's well worth it if you want sound. But the only drawback is, if the shorter units, you gotta mill out the frame a little bit and take some of the weight out. But basically, I run 3-4 units to a train, so it doesn't really matter that much. And if you're doing locals and stuff like that, I usually have 2 units, so it pulls good. And that's what I've been doing here, like I said, over the Christmas break and past December. And I think the last one I done was this SD40-2. That was last week, so I got it done. So that's what I've been doing. So if I do any more, or you want to see something, just leave it in the comments. Tell me what you'd like to see, different stuff, and I'll try to get up to it. Until next time, guys, happy modeling.